Steven, hang on. Oh, fuck. Shit, does it give us parachutes?
I don't know, I don't think so. I can't shoot from here, so...
Oh crap, what did I do?
Can you repack this thing?
I doubt it.
Because these don't save after the server restart. Man, this server's awesome. They give you fucking everything.
Yeah.
What else could you build? Because I know there was other ones too.
I'm not completely sure. Every server is different.
Well, no, when you open the box. Toolbox.
Why is it doing this?
I know, how do you remove the map markers? Do you know how?
I think it's the same way. You put them on.
It's not working. Hold on, I'll do it later. So where are we going?
Hold on, I'm still trying to get the
Let's find a-
controls.
Well, I mean, we haven't crashed yet, so that's good.
Yeah. Oh, fuck, almost.
Whoa, 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 what are you doing?
Not a backflip.
Oh yeah, dude, do a loop-de-loop.
Alright, you asked for it.
Don't do a loop-de-loop. You can't even do one.
I'm pretty sure you can. Chris, I've done a loop-de-loop, right?
Don't do it.
Don't challenge me, Steven. I'll
In
do
the
it.
helicopter?
Yeah. With the helicopter? Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we blew up and died.
Oh yeah, that's true, we did die.
Dude, I don't remember. What the fuck? Can I do a barrel roll?
Dude, watch out. You're gonna fucking kill us.
Hold on. Barrel roll. Holy shit.
Oh wow, I actually did one.
Alright, now I'm confident it can't do a loop-de-loop.
You might want to get
Let's
up higher.
go a little
for
high.
loop-de-loop.
Yeah. Forgot how to strafe. It's not letting me.
Maybe it's one of the number pads. Oh shit. Oh god.
Yeah, there you go. Told you.
Wanna go to the airfield?
Yeah.
See if you can find a better helicopter.
Enemy map. Put on the map.
Wish I could shoot
the
in this
opposite
thing.
way.
I wonder if I can get in the back if I can shoot.
I don't think this has like a turret or anything.
No, but I mean with my gun.
Oh yeah.
So I can't shoot from here because I'm holding on to the stupid stick.
Are you gonna try to switch to the back?
Well, I can't. It won't let me.
Oh.
You can only eject and I don't want to eject.
Oh, it's giving me the option to back seat.
How?
When you scroll, mouse scroll.
Yeah, it only gives me eject.
Oh, okay. Want me
You
to land
switch
a little
to the back
bit?
seat and switch back. Not a little bit. I want you to land. Don't land a little bit. Land a lot.
Alright.
Land
Just,
all the way. What?
fair
Hurry
warning.
up! No one knows we're here.
Fair warning, I forgot how to land.
Just do what the opposite of taking off.
Oh, that's not it. Alright, this is it.
Okay, let me know if you hear me.
Oh, for a second I thought my mic unplugged, and that was you.
I'm talking on side shit. Alright, go for it.
Oh wait, it went automatically back into the... What? Oh, okay, hold on.
Alright, can you look at the gear?
The sheep here.
Yeah.
I can't pull out my weapon.
Alright.
So I'll just get in the pilot, or in the...
Dude, look at the gear and take out the rocket launcher.
For what?
It's gonna mess stuff up.
By the way, it gives me the option, at least, to repack.
Oh, okay.
So maybe... Wait, how do I look at the gear? Where's the gear? Might want to turn it off. Okay, there's a rocket launcher, so what do you want me to do with it?
Alright, take it out. First person we see, you shoot at.
Well, you had to land,
You
though.
guys are fucking mean.
You would have to land to do it.
I don't think you... No, I
So
think
they
it's...
would know we were there. I can't pull out my weapon while I'm fucking riding in the back.
Oh, okay.
Besides, if I did, it'd probably kill us.
Yeah. No. Well,
You turd.
yes. Alright, never mind. We're taking off. Let's go. You can't judge me, Chris.
How much fuel do we have?
That's full. Yeah, we're good on fuel.
Okay. It says you can repack it, so try repacking it once we hit the server restart.
Yeah. I mean, that's assuming that we still have it in 30 minutes.
Well, if we don't have it in 30 minutes, that means we're dead, which means we can build another one.
Yeah.
What
Chris,
do you
hurry
need, a
up and
rotor
get in
and
there.
engine?
Yeah, just a rotor and engine.
The server's so full of shit, we could probably find one easily. Oh, dude, don't crash.
Ooh.
You're flying too low, everyone's gonna see us.
Oh.
Oh my god, what are you doing? Whoa, what are you doing?
Dude, the controls are fucking weird.
If you're gonna do that, at least get higher up so you have the chance to recover.
Yeah, yeah. Fuck, it's like they inverted it. It's weird. I don't like this.
Well, what are you doing? Don't do a barrel roll, you idiot.
Ooh. Alright, we're in the airfield. Do you want to drop down or while I scout ahead?
How am I supposed to drop down? I don't know if I have a parachute.
Yeah, you should. Yeah, you should have a parachute.
Oh, dude, don't fuck you, dude. I should have a parachute.
You should.
How about
You
you
should.
jump then, and then I'll take over the pilot.
Alright, just be sure to make it quick, alright? Ready?
Are you really gonna jump?
Well, if you don't want to.
You're too low for a parachute.
No, it should. You should be able to do it. No, this is perfect
Fuck,
height.
whatever, I'll do it. I'll
Alright.
do it, dude, but
3,
like, it doesn't matter.
2,
You can pick me up anyway.
1, go.
I swear to God if I die.
Did you go?
Oh, it automatically opened the parachute.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I see
I
you.
think, unless I just fucked it up. Dude, I'm way up here. I'm fucking, like, target.
Yeah, I see you.
Where should I go, the firehouse?
Yeah, if you can.
Or look for a plane? I don't see any planes here, at least I can. I don't know if it did it automatically or if it just scrolled too many one too many times. What are you gonna do with that thing?
Oh shit!
Did you crash into me, you idiot?
Holy shit!
Did you crash into me?
You survived that? Oh fuck.
No, I'm dead. Did you... Did you hit me?
Holy shit! I'm awake.
Oh wait, you're alive?
Yeah.
Did you crash a helicopter?
Oh shit. Yeah.
What happened?
Alright. So don't
What
get
happened?
angry, but yeah, I was scouting around and I turned around and I didn't see you parachuting down.
Actually, it says I'm unconscious.
Oh really? Oh
It says
shit, there's some.
unconscious
Oh
for...
fuck, there's someone else around here. Oh, it's that plane. Oh, dude, I'm dead. I'm gonna die.
Is he shooting at you or what?
Bandage. Oh fuck. No, but I'm
Oh
pretty
my
sure you
god,
can
I'm
see the
still
smoke.
alive.
Oh, I died.
No, I just died. Oh wait, no, I'm not dead.
No, you should be like going. Just make sure you put a bandage on you as soon as you can.
I'm bandaging myself, yeah. My blood is super low now.